Yes, sir, you are audible.
Good evening,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Good evening.
Good evening, everyone. This is Rahul Gupta, and today we are going to revise concepts for the quiz 2. Before that, I would like to know that all of you have attended the mock.
No, sir, I missed it by chance because that time mentor session was going on, so I forgot.
Sir, I have attended
Okay.
the mock.
Sir, I have also
How-
attended.
Sir, I have also
How was the
attended one.
mock?
Sir,
Sir, I
what
find
is
it
the benefits
difficult
of mock,
compared to.
sir?
Sir, it is somehow difficult.
So it was average. Okay.
Sir, it was easy, but the dictionary part was a bit difficult to grasp.
Sir, it was okay, sir. Not much difficult, not much. Moderate, I would say.
Yeah, moderate type.
So moderate, huh?
Yes, sir,
I'll
moderate, sir.
say,
The dictionary part is
believe me,
difficult.
the quiz 2 will be on the same level. So better you keep yourself ready for quiz 2 with this.
Yes, sir. And sir, one tip I would like to give to everyone, sir. Before attempting math, stats or English, first attempt CT because it is more logical and more mind consuming, I think. Otherwise, at last we might get stuck. The simple question will not be solved, sir.
Oh,
It will be percent to
okay.
percent.
Yeah. So first attempt CT, then anything.
First attend English.
Oh, you
No,
attending
actually, your mind is more open at first. Oh no. So, and I think CT is more mind consuming. If your mind get little bit distracted, then you will stuck in CT. So I think the best way is the first attempt.
But if we stuck in city firstly, then English and stats paper will go on.
That's might different for some people. But I
Okay,
find
so whoever has attended mock and all, if not, have you gone through the solutions?
Not yet,
Yes.
sir.
Did you see the solution videos also?
No,
Yes,
not
sir.
yet.
No,
No,
sir, no,
sir,
no.
not
Yes,
yet.
Not yet, sir.
the
actually
system
no.
so well.
so because all were correct, sir, somehow,
Yes,
sir.
sir. I went through the videos.
How was it,
Uh,
Saktinath?
That was very useful, sir.
That was very
Useful,
useful
huh?
and amazing, sir.
So I hope that we are not going to discuss any quiz to mock question here because solution is already given.
Sir, solution is given, but I have a small doubt in question number 4.
Okay. Mm. Okay, so let's dive into the picture.
Sir, is today's session is doubt discussion?
It is a revision session. It will have all the things.
Okay, sir.
Concept
yes,
plus.
Yes, sir. Actually, so I think you will show all the formulae, means all the procedure, all the terminology which are used in throughout week 8, right?
Basically, it will have all the. I will try to start with the basic one, the formulas and everything. But look like if you have attended the mock and all, you don't need that. So we'll see. Okay. It depends on the audience now.
Rahul sir, there was one thing,
Yes.
sir. Actually, sir, some people like the links, sir, they are not available. Like for some of the sessions for CT now, the links are not available, sir. So people who are working, sometimes they are not able to attend at that time, but they can look at it later. But the links, sir, are not available.
Which link is not available? YouTube link.
Yes, sir. If you want to watch it afterward, now like I'm trying some 5 and 6 some doubt clearing sessions were there, that and all. The links are YouTube links are not there, sir.
Okay, I think it is already there. Quiz to revision.
Doubt clearing sessions are not not live streamed.
No, every
Google
session,
Meets.
every solve with us session is live.
Is asking about doubt clarification.
Okay,
Google Meet
doubt
session.
clear.
Google Meet
Google
session
Meet
will not
sessions
be
are
there.
not live streamed.
But where Google Meet session are done? Recently, I don't think any Google Meet session was done.
Last week it happened.
It always happen every week, one or two there are. This week I think we did not have because we already have the this revision quiz to
There was
revision and
there were
mock.
some sir, there were some extra sessions also during 5 and 6. Those were also the
Those
links are-
sessions were different sessions. Those were for our students who have not performed well in graded assignment. So only those students were invited and link was shared to them only.
Sir, but
Any-
I am one of the not performing well students, sir. So
So you are in that mail thread.
yes, sir.
But in YouTube
So-
lecture link
So
will
it
be
is
there.
already provided the recorded link into the same mail thread. Go and check.
okay. So okay, so you are
Yeah.
saying that in the mail that link is available.
A link for the video, I mean live recording is available. You need to go to click and go to the drive and check. Okay, it is
Sir.
not YouTube stream.
Sir, this session is a revision session, sir, from week 5 to 8.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
That means you will revise all the concepts from week 5 to week 8 in.
Yeah, kind of.
Okay, sir.
Sir, I have one or two query regarding GA5. Can you please help?
Yeah, we can discuss.
What GA5, sir?
Graded assignment 5.
Okay.
Okay, so let us start.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we'll start with the list. We will start revision from the list. And I mostly understand that these are clear. So if I have a
Yes, sir.
list,
Sir, PDF will be provided now in dashboard.
which dashboard?
Our dashboard, sir.
Which PDF?
This PDF, the revision PDF you have made.
Video, sir.
Okay, you want this PDF too? I'll just share the link in this meeting. Don't worry. Okay.
Meeting.
You will get the link here only. Okay, give me a second. Maybe.
This will be recorded, no, sir?
Mhm.
Okay.
Okay, so I hope that these functions, operations, and functions for list is clear. So suppose I have a list L, which is 1, 2, 4, 6, 5, 5. Then what first of L does?
It will
One.
give first element of
It returns the first element of L, right?
Yes.
Without
Yes.
without any attempt in changing list, right? List will not change.
Yeah, list will not change. Okay, so this is the first element, correct?
Yes, sir.
And what if I have a list like this, then what will be the first of L?
One,
List of 1,
2.
1, 2.
So-
List of 1, 2.
Because L1 is a list of lists.
Yeah, so it is a list of lists, so this will become my element, correct? This is my second
Yes, sir.
element. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, what will be the last FL? This is just the opposite of the first FL. We will get the last element of the L, right?
Yes, sir.
So my L was again the same L we are taking. This is 1, 2, 4, 6, 5, 5. So last element is 5, we get 5. If I change L1 to this, what will be the value of first of last of L1?
4, 6, 5, 5.
Sir, only 4.
4, sir. 4.
Only 4.
Only 4.
First of last of L1.
Only 4, sir.
Sir, there should be 4.
4, sir.
4, sir.
What will it be? Always go inside out. Always go
Sir,
inside
2
out,
will be,
okay?
sir.
Sir, but it is there last and then first.
It is
Sir,
2,
last.
2.
4.
2, no,
will
I'm
check
sorry,
what-
4.
4.
So we will first find the what is
It will
last
be 4.
of L1.
It is 4, 6, 5, 5. List of 4, 6, 5,
It will
5.
be 4, 6,
And the first is 4.
5, 5. And then we will do the first.
Yeah, it will come with 4.
This will become first of this, which is
4.
4.
4. Okay. So this will be 4. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So inside first, inside then outside. Okay.
Okay.
So this is the same thing. If I say 2 into 5 plus 9 plus 4. So what you will do? First you will perform this operation, then you will add with this, correct?
23.
Yes, sir.
Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What happened, sir? Hello.
I think Unka net.
We'll be back.
Sir, you are not audible.
So you're not audible, sir.
But
Okay.
screen cursor is also not moving.
there.
No?
Now he's connected.
Sir, you are not audible yet.
He's not connected. I think he'll
Sir,
connect.
sir is
Sir
not
got
connected in class.
disconnected.
He's not.
It's out of the meeting.
When is the stat revision?
Does anyone know there's a custom study room and anyone able to go to it, like enter?
Yeah, we entered.
I have
yesterday,
tried
but
once,
there was
but not
nobody-
get into
There
it.
was nobody there.
Tried it. And nobody's there, na? So
Yeah,
did
Yeah,
anyone
I
wrote to
recent
the support?
I have wrote once, but they do not they reply
Response.
very differently.
Okay.
Actually, just I now now I got the
Yeah, I saw
WhatsApp
it
message
just now.
also.
Just to remind you guys, this session is live and it is recording also. So
That doesn't matter.
But the spectator is not there.
I not talking.
Everyone is following cyber ethics.
Useful only. There's nothing to fear.
You have to follow cyber ethics. We are waiting for
When is the stats revision?
today at 8 p.m. The stats revision will start.
Okay.
There is a link of that.
I think calendar there is link. Not for everyone. No. In my calendar there is link for stats revision. See?
yeah, there is one today.
I think
there
you
is link
should
in
scroll down.
calendar.
You should scroll down.
Yeah,
Okay.
8 to 10 p.m. mock revision. Okay.
Yeah, scroll down if it is not visible for
Yes.
everyone.
Oh, sad.
Ritik
Roshan.
Roshan
Yeah.
Maulana.
Yes.
Dude, your background is math, right?
Yeah.
Okay. I guessed
Why
it.
you are asking like that?
No, I mean, you are always, the maths class, your
Oh,
reasoning is different.
Advanced answering.
Anyone here from commerce background?
I think many one will be there.
Myself.
Yeah, there are many. Yes, Sam.
Yes.
Commerce.
Without maths.
Without anything, without maths, yes.
Cool. अब मुझे अच्छा लगा काफी सुनकर कि मैं अकेला नहीं हूँ इसमें यहाँ पे।
मैं समझ सकता हूँ आपकी क्या हालत हो रही होगी।
जी।
I think we are streaming live.
Oh, sorry.
Guys, give me some seconds. I just got logged out.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Where is sir?
Yeah, sir is coming soon.
Okay, guys, still I get the permission. Yeah, I got permission. Okay. Sorry for the inconvenience. That just happened.
No problem, sir.
Okay.
And so PDF link is not there in a chat also in there. Where you have uploaded?
I did not upload yet.
Okay, at last you will upload.
Yes.
Okay, okay.
We were saying that we always go from inside to outside. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what about init? What does init do? Init means initial, okay? Init means
Initial except last.
So we are saying that we want the initial list. It returns all the element of the list except the last one, okay?
Last one.
Last element, okay? We just don't take last element. So for example, we had again our list L is this 1, 2, 4, 6, 5, 5. And if we call init L, it will give 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 5. So last 5 is not inside the list. Okay.
And sir, it return and does not modify the list, right?
It doesn't modify the list. This is a different thing. You can make it equal to of L1. Okay. So this will be another variable. But L is still the same. 1, 2, 4, 6, 5, 5. So there is no side effect of this procedure. Okay. Is that clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, next question is REST L. So next concept is REST L. It is what is the REST of L? It actually returns all the list, but doesn't return the first element. So it will give me 2, 4, 6, 5, and 5. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we are going to perform addition. Addition is like here, in the language of list, we are saying to append, okay? Or there are addition of 2 lists, okay?
Yes, sir.
So we have list 1, 4, and we are going to add list 1, 6, okay? How are we going to add? Be careful. Sometimes you guys make mistakes here. So what we do, we only remove the last, we only care about the outer bracket, okay? Which bracket?
Outer bracket.
Outer bracket. We don't think about anything else. So this is my outer bracket. And how I do the addition? This bracket will come into the picture here. Okay. Then first element as it is, second element as it is. Then when I find the plus, when I find this bracket, I will just remove this bracket and replace it with comma. And last bracket will come here. Okay. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Don't try to be over smart that 6 is already will go. So 1, 4, 6 it will be. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Please be sure that we are talking about the we only remove the outer
bracket.
Okay. For example, the second operation C 1, 4, 6. Now this is the elements of list, right? And this is the element of this list. Okay. So it will go inside the list to be appended. But the same formula we will apply here for our simplicity, that we only going to take this 1, 4, and we are going to remove this whole part, this opposite bracket plus open bracket, and then this element and the last. Okay. Is that clear with everyone?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes,
this
sir.
is one element is
Sir.
being added to this list, or you can opposite think also. So this is called the pre-append. Okay.
Yes, sir.
If you apply the same formula, we will go the first square bracket, then element, then remove this whole, and then 1 4. Okay.
Sir, one doubt, sir.
Yes.
What is the, in this addition thing, what is the difference between the first one and the second one? The bracket is the difference, but what is the, actually you're adding the list. The second one, we are adding the list of 6 with the element 6, and the first one, we are just adding the element 6, is it?
Correct.
Okay. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so the next concept we are going to discuss the for loop, right? For each loop, for loop, which is for in our course it is called for each element in L. What does it do? So my question is that how many even numbers are in L? How many even numbers are in L? How will you find that? Can anyone tell me?
Yes, sir. By dividing it by
So I have a list L. I need to create a pseudocode.
Sir, I will run a for loop inside the element of loop.
Pseudocode to find the
even number.
Find the
Even elements.
number of even elements. Number of
Even element in a provided
elements
list.
in a list. Okay. Is there anyone who can tell me how to start?
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
For each x in L, so we are going to search one by one. Then we will look that x quotient 2 is equal to 0 or not. If it's 0, then count equal to count plus 1.
Okay, so can you tell me how to write the pseudocode?
Yeah, for each x in, if the list is L named L, then for each x in L,
for each
x or some variable, suppose I take x.
X is a variable. It is called
Yes.
an iterative variable,
Yes.
which is going to iterate through the list. Okay.
First to
For each
last.
X
In L, if the list name is L, then it is L. Then we will x module 2.
If X module
If
we
x
don't know.
module 2 is equal to 0.
This is module.
No, percentage.
Okay, percentage. Okay. So we don't know. So we'll say if X is divisible by 2. Okay.
Okay, x is divisible by 2.
Okay. Then
Then we just have to count the how many numbers. No? Then count equal to count plus 1. Count is a variable where I
plus 1. This close. But you forgot to initialize the count.
Sir, at first we have to
count equal
initialize
to
count equals
0.
to 0.
Yes.
Okay. So this is what the pseudocode is. Correct? Count equal to 0 for each x in L. If x is divisible by 2, then we increment the count.
Here also
Is that
x
clear?
is given. Yes.
Yes, sir. Clear.
Okay. Okay, so my next question is to you. How will you find the non-duplicate elements in L? Non-duplicate elements means the elements which are actually only one time present into the list. Okay.
One way to do is dictionary.
We are not going to go, talk about dictionary right now.
So we have to use
Member
it.
operator. Can we use is
So
member?
using the first operator, first rest. First
Which
rest
operator?
last. Past.
Okay, how will you do that? Can
Just
you
like if
tell me
there is
the-
a list L, then we have to, sorry.
Be very sure. I'm asking you to create the pseudocode. So tell me each and every step. And if anyone is not able to understand at any point, please stop us and we will explain. Okay. Your name, please.
Kajori Shaha.
Yeah, Kajori.
Kajori.
Okay, Saha. Saha is okay?
Yeah, sure. Anything.
Okay. Tell me,
Uh,
where should I start?
I'll try. I'm not sure I do it correctly or not.
Mhm.
Okay. Then first, there's a list, L equal to some list.
L equal to some list. What do you mean by
Yes.
it?
Empty list.
Sorry.
I don't
Then we have
understand what is the
What result we want? We want a list.
list which are element of the list.
Sir, use
which
member
are
operator,
I
sir.
mean,
Member
not
operator.
repeated. Okay, let her complete. Okay.
We'll create
So
one
this
empty list.
is my screen visible. This
Yes,
Now it
tab.
is visible. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so we are going to create. Don't look at this now.
Okay.
Yeah, you go beside her.
Sir, first we will create one empty list.
Let her explain now.
Okay.
She started. Let her explain. Okay, Mr.
okay,
Miss Saha.
then we take another variable as an empty list
Okay, another variable empty list. Can you tell me why?
because we have to store the element of this.
Okay, so we
which
want to
is-
store the element which are required into a
Yes.
list. For that, we
Yes.
are going to initialize. And let's
we
say it
are
is called
going to
out
do
list
that.
and it is empty list. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is just the initialization, right?
Yes. Initialization. Then we take some variable. We take the first of the list.
Okay.
Suppose there is a variable of whatever A or something.
Okay. A equal to first of list.
First of
You are
list.
actually okay. First of list. Why? Can you tell me why it is?
Because we are going to compare.
So it is the same concept which was used in week 4, pairwise comparison, right?
Yes.
So we will pick one element and compare it with other elements, right? So we will take the first element and compare it with other elements. If we find the duplicate, we will drop it. Otherwise, we will append into the out list. Is that clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Am I audible properly?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Totally.
Yes, sir.
So this is what she is going to do. But there is a challenge in this. Let us see if she can complete. Okay,
Then we take a for each loop
for each loop.
to go through the list. For each
loop.
x in L.
L, okay.
Then we have to compare A with the. Then we have to compare A with rest of list.
A with rest of list.
A if
Yeah,
A is equal to S.
I did that.
First, okay, and we have to store the rest of list in some variable.
So you did not store, no?
No, I forgot that part. That's why I'm confused. Then
I
we
don't know how
outlist
to
equal to
create. That is why
outlist
I'm
is
asking
equal to
you.
rest of
Sir,
L.
Sir,
Okay.
Babu, we
Outlist
don't
is
need
equal to
to
rest
use,
of L.
sir, but we don't need to use first operator here.
Let her complete. Let her.
Okay.
Okay.
Outlist is equal to rest of L.
Huh?
Outlist is equal to rest of L.
Are you sure?
No, I'm confused. Okay, so
Okay.
Will
I'm
be
getting
outlist
confused.
is equal to outlist plus X.
Okay. So if A equal to X, then outlist equal to outlist plus X.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Where is
No.
the, sir, may I?
Will be just the same one, that empty one.
If not,
If not, then it will be append by X.
In outlist, okay?
If A is not equal to X, then it will be outlist.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
No, it is correct.
Then
So, but then in this case, if there are two elements which are the same, which is not the first element, that will also be appended. So, shouldn't there be a nested loop?
Member of
Each
member
X
of A. Sorry, member of X comma A. We have to check.
sir, we can simply run 2 for each.
okay, so
can run a
it's
while
my
loop.
turn now. Okay, it's my turn now. Okay, now I will speak. Okay. So what we are going to do, is my screen visible?
Yes,
PDF?
sir.
So what we are going to do, we are going to take this list, this one element, and take this list out. Okay, so my one will be one element, and my other list will be 2, 4, 2, 8, 6, and 8. So it is actually nothing but rest list, right? And I will compare this way every element. Is that clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
And I will take a tracking variable matched. What? Matched equal to false. Okay. Matched equal to false. If I found a match, means if there is one element which is equal to 1, I will make my variable match to true. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
And in after the comparing with every element, if and in the last I will check if matched is equal to false, right? Means I did not find any matching. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then I will add this into out list equal to out list
Plus, plus.
plus 1. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Sorry, not
Plus,
1.
plus,
X, whatever
X.
we are taking as the comparison. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
But for that purpose, I need to check. Now, what will I do? I will next do the second element, and then my rest will become this one. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, in this one, there is one issue.
If it is matched, then we have to remove, right?
Yeah, when it is matched, then we will also remove the element. For example, if I checking for 2, when it is find match, I will make match true, and then I will remove true for 2 from the list. Is that right?
Yes.
Because this is not going to use next time, correct? It is already matched.
We are actually creating unique list.
It's not called unique list. Unique list has only every element one time. So this 8 will also come one time. 2 will also come one time. So
Sir,
how
if
will we do
matched,
that?
sir, if matched, then we put in out list.
Out list, no. Out list is our desired list. Why will we put into the out list?
Oh.
If it is matched, it's duplicate element. So why would you put it?
Okay, so my whole thing is becoming, so I will take one element. Now I will, so my algorithm is like this. Please try to understand. So what am I going to do? I'm going to take my list is like this. I'm going to take out list, which is my
Empty.
desired list, which will be empty. Then I will say while length of L is greater or equal to 1. Okay. Because after there is one element, then we can just add directly, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What will be my first element? I will take 1A, which is L is 0. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And we are going to check, I'm going to use one more variable, which is remaining list, okay? Or R list, let's say R list, in which we are going to store which are the not same to the first, okay? And then
Sir, what is L0?
L0, sorry.
L1 hour.
This is first of L. Okay.
Yes, sir.
For each X in L, I will say not L, I will say rest of L. What will I say? Rest of L, because we are going to compare with rest of L, correct?
Yes, sir.
and I will take my variable match, or which is, I will say repeat, equal to false. Now I'll check if x equal to a, then repeat will become true, and and we will not do anything. But whenever not match, for example, if I 1 am taking, it is not matched with 2, I will store this element into a remaining list so that I can compare again. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Else, what we will do? We will say R list equal to R list plus X. So this will become, now I found that this is for every element, right? Out of for each, if repeat is false, if repeat equal to false, then I will add this element to my out list. Is that clear?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Out list plus X, sorry, A. We are talking about A, right? A is the first element. And then most important thing, my L will change with the remaining list, which is L equal to R list. Is that clear?
Yes,
Sir, I have a
R
doubt.
list is, yes.
So instead of doing R is equal to R list, all that, can we not just, in the end of the procedure, can we just not make L is equal to rest of L?
So, okay, that will create one problem. I will tell what. Suppose you are making this, you are taking at first time one comparing with other list, okay? And you will found that not match. So one will be added to out list. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Next time your list will become 2 to this, right?
Yes. So if when it comes to the second 2, it will be a problem.
Yeah. So if you take 2, then you will compare with this and will say that it is not actually this is repeated. We will not add into out list. So it is gone and this will become your list. For 4, you will add, but where if you reach here, you take 2 and compare with this, right? And you will find that no match and you will add into out list, but 2 is already repeated. Do you understand?
Yes, sir. Got it.
So we are actually dropping all the repeated element with the first element. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So that is why we take another list, which is R list. Okay. I hope this was kind of clear. And this whole procedure is already written here. I have taken opposite variable. That's not an issue. You can understand. Is that clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now my question is that if I try to do the same problem with the help of dictionary, who can tell me how to do?
So we can create an empty dictionary D and initialize that into an empty dictionary.
Okay,
And
so
then-
I'll say out dict. I'm taking a variable out dict, which is empty dictionary then.
Then for each X in L,
For each X in L,
if is key D comma X
is key. Okay, so C used the function is key. Now who is going to tell me what is actually is key?
It actually checks
That
whether
it is a
So it is the same
member of
Whether the
functionality
key is
as the
present or
member
not.
function.
whether an element is a member of the list or not.
Whether that
Okay,
key
so is my screen
present
visible?
in
This
the
one?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So we
So
are
it
talking
checks-
now about dictionary. Okay.
Sir,
check
we have
whether
to
the
create-
key
function
is
is-
present in the dictionary or not. If it is not, then it is appended, a new key is created with a value,
Okay.
and if it is already present, then it is appended.
Huh?
Not appended.
Q is added. So.
We are talking about is key function.
No,
so
true.
each
Sorry,
key takes
sorry,
two
sorry.
arguments,
to
right?
check
It is so. If we say yes or no, means yes and or true or false. If it is present, then
it returns true.
It returns true, yeah. And then and if it is not, then it the key is added in the dictionary.
Okay, is key is a
Created.
function. Is a procedure which is predefined, right? Which takes is a procedure which takes
either
two
true or
arguments.
false.
Two arguments, is that right?
Yes, sir.
What is the
First one is
arguments? These are
dictionary.
arguments. These are called
First one
arguments, right?
dictionary.
Not there in the
Boolean,
list.
True or false? Boolean true or false?
First one is a dictionary, and second one is any
Two
data type,
arguments, one dictionary,
and one is any data type.
one
Any
one
variable.
a
Any
variable,
data
right?
type.
Variable. A variable.
A variable. Let's say variable. And returns
True or
True if
false.
returns true.
If
If
the variable is the
variable
key of the
is-
dictionary.
A is a if the variable is a key of
Key of
dictionary,
the
Key of the
dictionary.
dictionary.
Dictionary D.
right? So it returns either true or false. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes,
there
sir.
is one other thing. If anywhere I find is key function, I can understand we are actually talking about dictionary. Is that clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so she used function is key, so I had to come back here. Next, is key is so
So,
she is trying to
can
check
we
if
make a
key is
change?
already present in the dictionary.
So can we make it if not is key?
Okay, not is key. Not is key just the opposite, right? If it
Yes.
not is key,
Outdict,
outdict.
comma X.
Why are you making this not so that
So
you can
if-
directly add?
Directly do it, Elena. Otherwise, we have to have another else statement.
Correct. So if dict is not there, then
Then outdict square brackets X is equal to true.
okay. So C has given one more concept here. Just is equal to
True.
true. I think you are making a mistake. Okay, let's see.
It will be value, right? Value of
No,
the
she has
key.
done a very great job. I understand what she has done. Okay, then
Then if the we can have L is equal to keys of outdict outside of the if loop.
okay, outside of our out list will become keys of outdict, right?
Yes.
Okay, so used one more function. Now, guys, I mean, I hope everyone know how what is happening here.
Yes.
Okay,
sir.
this part is right. The significant we will see later, but we'll understand first what is happening here. If I have a dictionary, let's say D equal to an empty dictionary. Okay. Then if I say D of 5 equal to 1, what will happen?
5
The
key will
val-
be there.
5
Five
will become
key.
5 will be
And
added
value
to
of
the dictionary D and it will be mapped to 1.
1.
Is that clear?
The value of the
Five
key 5
colon
will
key,
become 1.
one.
5 colon 1.
Colon 1.
Okay. If I say D of 5 equal to 3 now, then
5:3.
5
It will
colon
update
3.
the value.
In the
It will
dictionary.
so
It will update the value from
So
1
it
to
will be
3.
5:1, 3.
1 will be overwritten by 3.
Yes.
correct. So main concept
the
here is
value.
that we are using same syntax to update and insert, right? When we are inserting new element to D, we are using the same And when we are updating it, we are using the same concept, right? Same syntax. Is that clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So it will become D equal to 5 mapped to 3, right?
Yes.
And then if I
Yes.
say D5 plus, sorry, equal to D5 plus 9, then it
It'll
will become
append
D5
5
equal to what is the
plus 9.
value of D5?
3.
D5 is 3.
3
3 plus
plus
9.
9 equal to 12.
12. Okay.
And it will added, it will be D5 equal to 12,
12.
which means now
The new
update the
value is
value
12. Yeah.
D equal to, so 5 will map to 12. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Got
Okay,
it.
so base concept here is that we are using the same syntax for updating and inserting.
Sir, for appending?
Appending is the same, na? Appending is the inserting.
You have to use
No, that
different
is
key.
Appending is for list.
Sir, one
Appending
way
is
we
for list,
can,
but you can take the sense here, right?
sir, I think we should use here, if not key, outdict will initialize with a integer 1. And in else part, we will increment that integer by 1. Then we will,
That is another way of doing, but so what she has done, she has taken just the variable which are not repeated. It will only keep track of not repeated. Once it will
yes,
be
sir,
added
all
and the
unique
second time,
elements, sir.
yeah, not unique. Again, you are saying unique. Unique is 1, 2. This 2 will not be there. Then 4, 1, 4, 2. Sorry, 1, 2, 4. This 2 will not be counted. Then 8. Then 6. This 8 will not be counted.
Yes, sir, that
So
will
every
be
element
part
one
of the
time is
summary.
called unique. Okay. Unique is that 1, 2, 4, 8, 6. Non-repeated is 1, 4, and 6. Okay.
Got it.
Yes, sir.
Sir, one question, sir. We can't store
Yes.
a key only, right? We have to have this dummy value, like, right? We can't.
Which
We
dummy
can't
value?
just have this 2 is a dummy value here, right? We can't just have a key in a dictionary, right?
Where here you are talking?
Yes, sir. On the code which the lady has presented. So there,
Yeah.
outdate x is equal to 2. So this 2 is getting assigned to that key. So basically, which means that we can't store only a key, right? We have to have a value for it. That is why
So she is assigning a value true.
yes,
So
sir.
what
That's
will happen? For 1, if x equal to 1, then outdict will
Sir, he is
become
asking that without value key is possible only.
no. So it will become 1 map to true. Okay.
Sir,
Key value pair
if-
must be there.
So dictionary is defined with key value pair. If you are trying to use without value, it is actually called set. Now you actually, we have not discussed set in this course, so we will not talk about that. But for dictionary, you need to have a key value pair. Okay.
sir, one thing.
Hmm?
Sir, in this pseudocode, if we not write, if we don't write the if statement, then also it will be okay.
But it will then again you add unique. That is what I'm saying. There is a difference between unique and non-duplicate. Unique
Okay.
means distinct.
Yeah. Okay, sir.
Okay.
Oh,
C
so
has
you-
also used one more function called keys here. What does keys do?
Return all the keys present in the dictionary.
Yeah, it will list out all the keys.
It will take input dictionary and return key. of that.
Returns the list of
keys.
List. Okay, why? Which is not writing. List of keys of
the argument.
Dictionary.
Okay, but there is an issue. Can anyone point out what is the issue here?
Sir, here,
Dictionary is not created here.
its order is not.
Dict is not key.
Order will not be clear. Order of the list will not be defined. Order
Sir,
of elements in the list. Okay.
Sir, I didn't
Random
know.
access.
Sir,
No random
sir,
access,
please scroll up.
random order.
Sir, please scroll up.
Scroll up means this.
Yeah,
What
yeah.
happened?
Sir, I didn't get how this will give the. I am
Okay,
still
I'll
getting that.
explain. I'll explain. Okay,
So
so this
outlist is not
Sir,
initialized.
dictionary is not created here.
Dictionary is created, but outlist is
It is initiated to 0, I think, on
Sir,
top.
keys of out list will give the
Or-
unique list only.
how will it keep? Can you
Sir,
tell me?
Because sir, if not is key means
Okay, I'll come to your
in the
part.
dictionary in this
I'll
out.
come to your part. Okay, first let me complete this. Okay, so here what is the issue when we talk about the keys? The order of elements of list is not defined, right? Is that clear?
Yes.
When we
Sir,
talk
one
about
more
the keys, it
can-
returns the list of keys of dictionary, but the order is not defined. Is that clear with everyone?
So it's clear. Can we
Yes,
not
sir.
just altogether skip the if condition if we are going through this written pseudocode? Like outlist of x is equal to true, it will just override the value of the corresponding to key x if it repeats, which is already set to true.
No, it will not return. No, that is what C has used. You are not actually skipping.
Sir,
You are skipping
sir,
this
we
not
have
word.
to, sir, we have to modify this code to find non-duplicate, right?
No.
Sir, we are.
Why will you have to modify?
Sir, it
we
will
are
create.
finding unique element or non-duplicate elements.
Non-duplicate.
So you mean
this is finding
non-duplicate
unique
means which are
element.
not repeated, right? So the final list should only give the numbers like 4, 1, 4, and
So
But
this will
here
actually
it
keep
is
one
giving,
error, right?
sir, here it is giving unique element, no?
Correct. It will
Yes, sir.
give unique
Dictionary is giving
elements.
unique
So
elements.
we need to modify this code, no, to find non-duplicate.
No,
Yes,
it's
yes.
already.
That's what I was telling also, sir.
So add one else part and we could run another for each loop in dictionary if value is greater
Okay,
than.
sorry, I missed this part also. We are trying to find the unique, sorry, again, non-duplicate, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, my bad. Okay, so see, her code was not is key, right? Then outdict
Will be appended.
Non-duplicate and unique, not the same thing, is it? Is the same thing.
unique and non-duplicate is
Sir,
not
we
same.
will add one, sir, instead of true.
we can use one else block which will actually set outdict of x equal to false, and we will find only which are true. Is that clear?
Now dictionary is
What
created.
would the difference be with or without the appending, with or without the addition of the else code?
Okay, and let's make this much clear with this code.
Sir, now I'm at least very confused now. Non-duplicate and unique is not the same thing?
No.
Non-duplicate entitles that that element should not be repeated anywhere. Like you are seeing 2 is 2 times, so we have to skip 2 altogether.
Non-duplicate element are those elements which
Okay,
are
let's
not
first
repeated.
try to find what is non-duplicate and what is
repetition.
unique. Okay. Okay, let's say L equal to, what was my L?
1, 2. Let's take
4,
random
5.
else.
Okay, let's take 1, 2,
4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 9, 8.
4, 5,
9, 8, 8, 9, 9.
2,
8, 6, 8.
6, 8. Okay.
Yeah.
Now, if
Yes,
I
sir.
say what is unique of L, unique elements of L, this is equal to the distinct element
Elements
of
of
L. Okay, and these will become
1,
1, comma
2,
2, comma
4,
4, comma
5, 8.
5, comma
8,
8,
6.
comma 6. Is that
6.
clear?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
If
sir.
we are looking for list, sir,
So
to
I'll
give
say,
a round bracket.
okay. So this is our list of unique elements. Now, if I talk about list of
Non-duplicate elements. Just copy above one and
list of
replace unique.
duplicate elements, which means it will be
1, comma 2, comma
1.
no 1,
is
comma
not
4,
repeated.
comma
2 is
1,
repeated.
4,
We will
6.
not take 4.
4,
1,
5,
4, 6. 5, 6.
5.
1, 4, 5, 6.
Then 6, right? I can
Yes.
say it is non-repeated. List of
Yes, I got it.
non-repeated element.
Yeah,
List
I
of
got it.
non-repeated elements. Okay.
Yes, got it.
Okay. Now next thing was the keys function. What was that? Keys function of dictionary. So let's say D. What was the purpose of this?
It will return the keys of the dictionary.
Returns the list of
keys
of
the
dictionary.
D. But order is not defined, right?
What is the meaning of order not defined, sir?
Means
Ascending,
suppose you have a dictionary.
Random access.
Okay, so if you have dictionary like this, 1 map to 2, comma 2 map to 2 map to 3, comma 4 map to 5. Okay, then if I say keys of D, then it will give me 1, comma 2, comma 4. It's R. It will give me 1, comma 4, comma 2 or
2, 4, 1.
1, 2, comma 4,
4,
comma
1.
1. We don't know. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now we are we were trying to find the pseudocode. Pseudocode for finding list of non-duplicate elements.
So such type of question can be asked and we have to answer, we have to write a code.
Code you don't need to write. I'm
Okay.
just explaining so that it is much more clear than the others. Okay. So you can visualize the thing. Okay. Pseudocode for finding list of non-duplicate elements. Is that clear? List of non-duplicate elements.
In second term, sir, Python, there we will
talk about Python later. Okay. Okay, pseudocode for finding list of non-duplicate elements. How can we write that? So she gave me one code, right? What was that? Outdict equal to this. Then next, anyone remembers?
For each x, I think. For each x in list L. If not is key.
Not is key.
D, x.
D, x.
Then we will append this x to outdict. Outdict is equal to outdict plus x.
X equal to
true,
right?
What is D, sir? D is outlist or outdict?
Yeah.
Outdict we are returning, no?
D is
D is
dictionary.
here. D is a dictionary, right? Okay, sorry.
No, that is
Outdict we are
outdict,
creating.
sir.
Outdict.
Outdict, okay. Okay. Next thing, what we actually, this
Sir, I
has
have
a
a
problem
question.
that.
Sir, why we are
No.
appending Boolean value?
Yes, tell me.
Sir, why we are appending Boolean value? Outdict.
Boolean value she's only suggested. You can take integers also.
So I think we have to write in 6th line.
Okay, we will take then our out list will become keys of
Outdict.
right?
But
Now
here,
many of
here
you
one
have
problem
pointed
is
out.
that.
Yeah, there is
Yeah,
a problem.
it will give unique list.
It will give this unique list, correct?
Yeah, yes.
So if I try to modify this code, I can write
Else. Outdict x is
Outdict
equal to false. Outdict of x is equal to false.
equal to false. Okay. And then what we can do? Out list equal to this for
each I
y in keys of
keys
dict,
of
right?
outdict.
Sorry, outdict. If outdict
Of x is
y
equal to
equal to
true.
True.
And now I can actually do one more thing here. I can just remove this. It will also give the same one
Yeah.
result.
will
Outlist
also-
equal to
Outlist
Outlist plus y.
y. I hope now it is correct, right?
No, sir, I don't think. Sir,
Okay, still not correct.
sir, it will first, though the one is repeated, then also it will create the
Yes,
a
sir.
key of
It
one.
will select the first element automatically. even
Second
if it is
time
repeated.
it will go to else block, but first time it will go to that if.
Yeah. If
Yeah,
the
it will
first
go to
element.
that.
But second time it will become false.
We are only adding in the outlist when it's true now. When outdict is true.
Yeah, but that's only when the for each loop is completed.
Yeah. So what do you suggest?
What is the confusion here?
Sir, if we are taking one as a x, and though the one is repeated later in the list, but the if block will be executed during the first time.
The thing that is happening in the first
And it
for
will
each block is
the outdict x, so outdict of one will be true. And second
Okay.
time when the one will come again, or any element will come again, then it will go to the else block.
Correct.
The first element of the list will be always included into outdict.
Yeah, then again it will
Even
give
though it is
the unique list.
no, it's
But I am
just
neither-
setting when it is going on in else
So
block.
I
It is
am
setting-
actually not, that is outdict is the dictionary of every element, right?
Yes, sir.
But here I am adding only those which are mapped to true, correct? See
Yeah,
here,
sir.
na?
True will be a unique
We
one.
can make a slight adjustment. Instead of initializing outdict to the empty dictionary, you can just say outdict would be a first of L and true, comma true.
Is there any error in this pseudocode?
Yes, sir.
Can we use
You
member?
prove it.
Sir, we can take step by step, then it will.
Okay, I'll take
Take a list
step.
of 1, 1, and 2.
But remember, my objective is outlist, not outdict.
Yeah,
Do
sir.
you remember? Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, then let's take L equal to this.
So if we take that, the issue that would arise is for the first number one.
Let him
Repeat the
complete.
first element. Yeah.
Let him complete.
Let us put another one.
Let him complete. Who was talking?
Yeah, sir. Sir,
Another one.
the first iteration will be x is equal to 1.
X equal to 1. Okay. Outdict. Tell me outdict. What will outdict be?
Outdict will be 1, 2 true. 1 true.
Then?
Yeah. Then in second iteration, it will be 2 true.
True. Then?
So here only it is clear what I was telling you. 2 is the 2 will
You just
become,
tell me the answer.
4 true.
Because it is being lot of discussion who is actually not understanding, being bored. Okay. 4 true. Then
5 true.
5 true. Then
2 false.
Then
2 false.
8 true. Oh, that it's because we cannot
Yeah,
repeat
sir.
the key. That's why we have to just update.
Yeah. I got
Okay,
it.
sir. Understood now.
okay, we are moving to the next question, and from now we will
No,
solve
sir,
the.
1 second, sir. 1 second, sir. Can you go back? Sorry. Can you explain what you did from 11 to 14, please?
11 to 14. Okay. So outlist. Okay, let's complete this procedure then. 8 will be mapped to true. 6 will be mapped to true, right?
Yes.
And then next time 8 will come, which is
8 will become false.
False, right?
Yes.
Okay, then outlist is empty list for each y in keys of outdict 1, y equal to 1. Outdict y will be true or false?
True.
True. So outlist will add
अच्छा तो वो ऐड कर
add 1.
ठीक है समझ गया.
Okay. Then
Sir, I have a doubt in mock test.
For
question
2.
Number 4.
For 2. It is
Because
false.
Because it's false.
Yeah, not added. 4 added.
4 added, 5
Yes,
added, 6 added.
5 added.
Yes. Yes.
6 added.
Yes.
So these are the non-repeated here.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Very nice. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir.
We will start with week 5. We will take questions. Okay.
Sir, I have a doubt in mock test question number 1. Would you take it now or last?
Mock number. Did you see the solution?
Yes, sir. The solution, I think the solution is wrong. That's why.
Okay, that's very good.
The doubt is.
But you need to prove that if it is wrong, right?
Okay, sir. If it is not wrong, then I will understand this thing. The opposite trend thing, sir.
Sir, have you explained this mock question number 4 and 5?
We are going to
joined a
start
little bit
with
late.
the questions.
Sir, question number 3. I'm sorry.
We are starting questions now. Okay, so I hope all the required concepts of list and dictionaries are discussed, right? Any concept is left in
So there
list
will
and
be the
dictionary?
question from week 1 to week 4, right?
Yes.
Sir, what is the percentage means main focus will be 5 to 8
I
or
don't know. I don't know. Creator did not tell me actually. I'll
Okay.
have to ask him. Okay.
Okay.
Sir, you all
Okay.
did not prepare paper.
What if I say I did not? If I say I prepare paper, then
Question number 3.
the question is that I am not going to tell anything. You don't understand. Okay. Okay, so
So the
this
level of
question
question
number
will
4.
be like this only.
So question
Mock.
number 3. I said it for 4. I'm sorry.
3 is already there, and even the video is already there. Did you see the video?
No, sir.
Go and please check. I'm not going to
From
discuss.
where you're getting sir, this
Yes, sir.
one?
This solution PDF is already on the portal. Once you open the
video
portal,
link
Question
where-
number 4 and 5.
So
sir.
video link, where would I get the video link, sir?
It is inside the PDF.
Embedded in that, na?
Embedded in the PDF. Even I have asked for the feedback also. Is that my portal is visible, right?
Yeah. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
If you open this solution and click here to download, then you will get a PDF, correct?
Yeah.
If you download it or do not download, that's also fine. These are the solution links, okay? For question number 3, if you go and, okay, why is it not visible? Okay, question number 3 is not visible. Fine.
It might be PDF problem, reader.
No, it should not be a PDF problem. Give me a second, okay?
Yes, sir. I have just seen the PDF. The answer given there is not matching with me.
Video is clear in that?
So video, I haven't.
No, sir.
Is video visually where we?
Sir, video
It is not
links are
visible.
okay. I have seen this today, but there is no video for every question.
So where is
Yeah,
the
so
video link?
for every question is not required, right? There are comprehension question. One
Yeah.
video link have
For some
all
questions,
the
it is good. It is working.
for question number which are comprehensive from like 6 to 8, only one link is given. So if you click that, it will go to a folder which will have 2 or 3 videos for every question, or it will be in the part. Okay. So for example, if you click for this question, this question is from 6 to 8. Okay. I think I am
Sir, we are not
sharing
able to see the screen, sir.
I'm not sharing, sorry.
Okay.
So if you see this question 6 to 8, if you click on here, it will go to a folder which will have 6, 7, 8. Okay. So every question doesn't have link. Okay. For comprehension question, link is not in. Okay, let's discuss the question number 3. I'll see what was the issue with that later. Question number 3. Okay. Yes, who is going to say?
Me, sir.
What was the?
Satya.
Yeah, Satya, tell me.
So just a minute.
What did you not understand here?
So the option is the correct option is showing here is like it will return true if L1 is empty. The list is empty. And but the list one when we are checking where at line 7, the list one will if the element is empty, then the while loop will not run.
So if while loop not run, then
So can I explain this point that he is?
One minute,
While
one
loop
minute.
will
Let him
not run
complete.
until list is empty.
Tell me, let him complete. Let him tell. Yes, tell me.
But the list one is if it is empty, then it will not match with the list 2.
So
Then-
if list 1 is empty, why will it be into the trends data set?
List 1
Is there any trend which doesn't go from any station to the other station?
means what, sir?
Suppose if you are talking about, you are saying L1, if is empty in the start, right?
Yes, sir.
So if L1 is empty in the start, L1 represents the list of stations from where train N1 goes, right?
Yes, sir.
And you are trying to find a train which doesn't goes from any station, which doesn't go anywhere, right?
Yes, sir.
Is this a feasible example?
No, sir.
Sir, basically it is defining the departure of the train, the arrival of the train.
But it still have it will have one station because it will start somewhere.
Sir, if L1 is null, then it will arrive na at that point.
Why L1 is null? What L1 is? L1 is the list of trains, list of stations from train N1 goes, right? For example is also given here. Train number 12281 starts from Bhubaneswar, goes to New Delhi via Balasur, Agra, Varanasi, Kanpur, right?
Kanapura.
Then if L1 is empty, then you are saying that I am launching a train which will go nowhere.
No, sir. There's a while loop which says inside the while loop, if the condition is
is a different
satisfied,
case.
then L1 keeps reducing from the left and L2
That
from
is
the
a
right.
different case. That is a different case. His question is that he is saying L1 is empty in the start even.
L1 is why would L1 be
No,
empty?
sir.
L1 can't be empty, na, sir.
Sir, can I add a point, sir?
Yeah, please add.
Actually, there is first while loop and then we are checking whether L1 or L2 are empty or not. So
Correct.
what we are doing, we are
Yes.
taking L1 and L2,
Sir,
which are
sir,
list
I'm
of
really
stations.
sorry. It's my mistake. I didn't. मैंने देखा नहीं कि ये while loop के बाहर है, sir. I'm really
Yes.
sorry for that.
Yes. Okay, you
Always take bracket rule.
okay. So you are saying that you did not notice that this is outside of while loop.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm really sorry. For that.
Again, there is another issue. Then I'm seriously. How will you enter into the while loop if you are taking empty list, even it is inside the while loop?
I'm really sorry for this, sir.
Because you are already saying that L1 is not empty.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Now it is clear.
Okay,
Please
so
continue, sir.
I would not like to. Okay. Okay. I hope. Is there anyone who has doubt? Still doubt in this question? Guys, you need to give me some 5 minutes now. I'll have to start one more session. Okay. So please be here. I'll be back in 2 or 3 minutes. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And don't talk rubbish in this session because everything is live. And
Okay, sir,
you
okay.
represent IIT now. Okay.
Do not worry, sir. We will move forward only.
मान रखेंगे, sir.
My mute is
Downward
also off.
trend or upward trend, that matter, na?
My mic is also off.
Actually, someone has told that they missed that bracket. Actually, I also did in 2-3 codes. Then whenever I saw pseudocode, what I did, I first see where is while, where is if, where is procedure. Identify this word, procedure, if, while, and after that, search for 2 bracket. First of thing, without going anywhere, first search where are 2 bracket, starting one and ending one. This should be made
You
clear
can
at first.
actually put a line also, just an imaginary line track of that.
Actually, if where while start at same indentation, that bracket has to be closed.
But sometimes it changes, depends on the
No,
condition.
it cannot be changed. Bracket will always end at same indentation, where the loop, where the if is, if
Yes.
or where the procedure
Having
starts.
see, end bracket always matches the starting one. You have to just see the pair wise, which means if it's a nested loop,
Yes.
only 2 brackets, 3 brackets, 4 brackets, you have to just identify which one which is.
That's what I was saying.
You did not look at today because how many spacing, after how many spacing while loop is started, at that much spacing that bracket will end. This is always.
How,
If
what
this
is
does
the
not match, then Python code will run error.
You are not running Python.
No, this is
Yeah, preparing
Python.
Python.
This is for Python.
Yeah,
This
the
is
whole
tip.
protocol is for the Python.
This
This
is
rule
very
Have you
similar
follow.
to
learned
Python.
Python already?
Very much
I
similar to
have
Python.
done some basic code in Python. This indentation rule is there. Actually, they do not use the
They
bracket.
don't use
Yeah,
brackets.
there's
They use
They don't
just
use
The thing
bracket.
is, this visual structure is not specific. Is not does not matter in all the programming languages. Like if you compare it in C, then
It is just to understand us.
yeah.
C is different, bro. C is a bit
It is
different.
similar. The pseudocode is similar to C mostly.
No, it's not just
No,
C.
Languages
I
are
did not
different. You
say.
have to intensify
Just we
everything.
have
in
to
a C.
translate
No,
in
logic is
this
same for the
pseudocode
all.
syntax
Yeah,
language.
Logic is
logic
same
is
for
same.
all languages.
Yeah, logic is same for the all languages, but pseudocode is not. Like if you see the pseudocode like for each, it's gonna be a different loop in C. If you're gonna write it, it's gonna be a
Yeah,
different loop, different
except
loop.
the functions, the logic,
Yeah.
what is there
Logic
is.
can be same. Logic can be same. That's not what I'm saying. I'm saying that
Yeah.
function will be different. Like for each, you cannot just
Yeah,
write
yeah,
there.
correct.
You have to like intensify it in the C. That's the main point. C is a very scratch language.
Yes.
You write everything from the scratch in C.
This is similar to means writing or explaining things in plain English, you can say, but not a
It's just like
plain English.
C and C++. Like C is just a spoon feeding for the computer. You have to spoon feed it. Everything you have to say in this.
Yep, I agree.
That's one annoying thing about it.
But in Python, you cannot incorporate the C fragments in Python language.
Yeah, Python is totally running. Means if you have C Python, then it's totally incorporated with C. And
Yes.
the main reason for that was because Python was slow compared to C while doing the inference.
Yeah,
Because it have
Python is
interpreter
lot
inside
slower.
it.
Like,
I think there is enough library. You can incorporate Python in C, C in Python, Python in Java, Java in C. So
Yeah.
there are a lot of library you can do that.
No, libraries
And
are
Python
great,
is-
but it
No,
will
no,
take.
Python backend runs on C. The code of Python is taken from the C only.
yeah.
Actually, C is main
It runs
compiler
on C.
language.
Yeah.
Every compiler is made from C only. That's the basic language now.
What I
Python
remember,
work on interpreter.
what I remember, C doesn't has this object thing, right? This
Yeah,
object-oriented programming concept is not in C. It's in C++, right?
Yeah, it
C and
starts
C++
from
are almost similar with everything that C has, just a bit upgraded version. Like you can
Syntax is little different for easy explanations, and also this
I
object-oriented
would say the
programming is
syntax
there.
is almost same. Like 80 to 90% the syntax is same for C and C++, because basically it's the same thing. Just they are adding the object orientation in that because C doesn't support it now. Almost same.
No,
I think
means
this
I
last session
basically
is
thought,
recorded.
I found C more easy to understand rather than C++. C++ syntax means once I got the habit of C, this object notation was little bit hard for me to understand. But eventually, when I went to Python, I got the idea how everything
Well, in
works.
this course, I think we are learning Python and Java, and after that, C will become easy to
I
everyone.
don't think we are learning Java in this course. Java will be
Yeah,
after.
yes, we will learn Java.
Java is
We
there.
learn Java in application development.
C
and
programming, diploma in programming. There is.
Yeah, it's in the
Using
second.
C along with Python is so accessible. So accessible, everyone can make use of it. Even mathematicians. I think C.
But
the
you want to develop app, then what you will do for Python?
You
I'm
cannot
not-
use Python for app development. It's not basically.
Yes,
You can
yes.
do it, but it's not.
You can do it, but it will not be very good. It is not
I
good. There are
agree.
libraries that can do
I
it,
think
but it's not very good.
It's not, in the development side. It's just like you have to use it for constructive use, like data science, for extraction. It's more
You
of
can use Kiwi package. You can use Kiwi to create this.
After learning one language, we can learn every language very easily.
See,
One
the
language might
concept
take
of every language is same.
4 months, but other language will take only 15 to 20 days.
Yeah,
But
you
if
can
that
write
first
C, you can
language
write
is
the
C,
codes in
then
every
it will
language,
be
but if
beneficial
you
a lot
want to go
more.
in development side now, you have to master one because you cannot keep on like
Yes.
Python, then this and that. Because if you're seeing Python in the
But
upward,
in
it's
development, there is also using various. If you go to Android development, you will learn SQL. You will learn, if you doing backend, then you will also learn Python. You will learn JavaScript if you are using.
Ritik, have
You
you
will also
learned
use
this app
HTML.
development?
No, I have not
Application
learned,
is the
but
key.
I have searched. I have seen that if you go in Android
I think
development,
Kotlin
first you will.
means if you do it with Kotlin, then it will be much easy compared to Java.
Yeah, you will first
Kotlin
do
is the main.
Kotlin, then C, then C++. Also in Android, if you run Android Studio, there is a special library to incorporate C++.
Incorporate, yeah, C++, yes.
You
So
can
if
do
you
it.
want to make Android game, then you will use Kotlin also. You will use C++ also.
Even Python
C++
is there.
basically we used to make games. Means in general, if for fun you can create games using C++.
Yeah, but Android game are building in C++ also, in Java also, in Kotlin
Yeah,
also.
yeah,
So
you
every
can do that.
so
Totally.
after a while, I think we will have to learn every language.
But means if you want to run it on a
You don't
web
have to go into
browser,
deep
I
for every
guess
language.
JavaScript is good.
See, if you're going in
Yeah, Java is
Android
Python will be
development,
also used.
yeah, Python will be used. Like if you're going for Android development, then it's like you have to learn Kotlin thoroughly. Like you have to understand.
Yeah,
it.
at first glance, we
You
have
have
to
to
start
not
with
very
Java or
hard.
Kotlin.
You should be an
Kotlin,
expert in
at
Kotlin.
initial
It is
level, it's
similar
not
to
very
Java.
hard.
Anybody here
Yeah.
is doing competitive programming?
Yes, I am.
Okay.
Will you guide how to do competitive programming? What is competitive programming? I have listened, but I do not understand what is
That's like
that.
solving questions.
Yeah,
Like
you guys
solving
are
a task in order to-
demoralizing others.
No. These are just the fancy word. If you dive, there is not a big hole. That is
Yeah,
very
for
small.
No, that's
for
not an
for
issue. Ritik, you will see competitive programming very soon in Python course. Just wait, OPP is there.
But
Yeah, it's very
obviously,
dangerous.
if you're learning a language, that there is always like if it's a course, there is always gonna be competitive programming because without competitive programming, you cannot do. Like it's just like you have to think differently. Like how you gonna solve maths? You have to know its applications. You cannot just learn
So
every.
after DSA, we have to start competitive programming.
Okay,
Yeah, after
guys,
data
first clear the city and okay.
Sir, question number 4, sir.
Question number 4 of
Mock
okay.
4 and 5.
5 is already there. You have to see the video now.
Okay.
5 video. Yeah, yes. So the solution is there for 5. Okay, no video is there.
I mean, your senior students have created this solution. Don't let them. I mean,
Yes,
don't
5 solution
make
is
their
created by
efforts.
someone. Video is very
Best.
clear and very descriptive.
I haven't watched the video, but okay, yes. Fine.
I'll discuss the question number 4 now.
Yes,
Question number
sir,
3
please.
is clear now. Okay, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
We are finding the overlap in that one and just exhausting all the execution, and then we are updating. That's all what
Okay,
we are
so
doing.
who asked the question number 4?
Sir, I asked.
Okay, what is the doubt here? Because solution is already given. Then where are you facing the issue?
Sir, this for y in keys of a station. So this station is empty list. N is equal to 0 and list is empty. So we are just checking for the getting the list of keys. That is
Sorry.
numbers in
Come
train.
back. I'm not too fast. Okay, so you are saying you are talking about line 6, correct?
Yep.
Hello?
Then we have to add. So means we are using updated dictionary, and it is just updating the dictionary if some train is present or not. That is only we are doing.
I mean, what is your doubt? I mean, I am unable to understand. Should we start
The
from
options,
here?
the options, sir. The options.
Options. Okay. For y in keys of stations. What our purpose here is? Stores the names of stations through which the maximum number
of trains passes.
Okay, got it. So we are trying to find the We are trying to find the station,
The station
from where
names.
the
Maximum number of train
maximum
passes.
number of trains passes. Okay, right. Okay, got it. Then we have a trains dictionary, which is the similar one as in the question number 3. It
Yes.
has train number and mapped to the list of stations through this train pass, right?
Train number is the key and list of stations are the values. That is
Okay. So what stations does here? What stations is then? Station is the updated dictionary. So can you
but
tell
we
me
have
what
to now move
stations
to
store?
the procedure. No?
What stations store, if you remember?
Station is basically storing the number of this. How many stations are there? That is DA is equal to 1. That means a particular station is there. So means a repeated station we are storing here.
It's
The,
like
num-
it's
the
the
trains
number
which
of
passes
trains
through the
pass in the
station,
station.
multiple trains. The list number of trains that passes through a station.
Stations
So
mapped
you are
with
saying
number
that
of trains
stations
passing through
stores
it.
stations store the name of stations as key, right?
Yes.
But here it is saying updated dictionary station comma X, right?
So we are
Stations is an empty dictionary, sir, as for one.
I'm asking, once this whole execution done, what stations store?
A particular train means number of trains that passes through a particular
Station names mapped to number of trains passing to it.
Correct. That is what my point here is. Sorry, we are trying to find the, station stores the name of station. Name of station as key and then map to, why there is a lag, map to number of
Trains passing through it.
trains passing through it. Is that this part clear to you?
Sir, but how it is doing an updated dictionary means where we are storing that key?
So you tell me, your question doubt here is that you do not understand the procedure, right?
Yes.
Okay, let's start with the beginning and let's let everyone understand the question if they know or not. So we are starting with the stations, which is defined as an empty dictionary. N and L are two variables. For each X, for each X keys in keys of trains. Okay. So what will key be?
Train
X
number.
be?
Train
What is
number.
X here?
X will be the means whatever. It is a iterator that will
Train
check for the
number.
train numbers.
Right.
Yes, sir.
Then stations update dictionary stations and X. Okay. So we are sending the procedure here. Procedure update dictionary. D is empty right here. Correct?
Yes,
In
is
the
empty.
start.
That station list is empty. Yes.
Now for each A in trains Z, for each A in trains Z, Z was the train number, right?
Train
Because it is
number,
the X,
yes.
correct? It is corresponding to X, then train number. And train subject will be the list of stations from where
Train passes. List of stations. Yes.
where train
Passes through.
right?
Passes. Yes. That's the route of the train.
Correct. Now what we'll do? If not is key. So for each A, so at a time A will represent a station, correct?
Yes.
For each A in trains of Z, if not is key DA. So let's take the example 12281. Okay, I'll rather taking that, I will take one more simple example so that we can explain in a better way. Okay. It will take a little bit time, so you need to wait. Let's see. Trains are equal to 12281 map to. I am not using the inverted comma.
Use any abbreviation, sir. That will do only. Why to?
Balashur. Sorry, it's Bhuneshwar.
Bhubaneswar. BH, BA, AD,
Balashur.
BA. That will.
AD.
VA.
VA, and let's keep it simple, okay?
Yes.
Then there is one other train, 12283, and it goes from Balasur to Adra, keep
And then
Adra,
VA.
and then New Delhi, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so let's keep these two simple things. Now, when 128 is 128, when Z equal to 1228, then first
Then
time
we
A
will
will
index
become
into these values of BH, PD, AD, and
BH, okay?
Hmm.
So A will become BH first time, right?
Yes, yes.
When BH, then not is key DA. Is key will give true or false. BH is
Also,
the,
it is an empty list. It is an empty list. So why it
so
will
this will give false, right?
it will false, and then it not will make it true.
Not will make it true, correct?
Yes, true. It will make it true. Then we will just add as 1, right?
Yeah, so D will become, what is D? Here A will be added, right?
D of A it is written. So we are okay. 12281 is equal to is to 1, right? Or
BH
BH.
map to 1, correct?
Okay.
Next time A equal to
A
BA.
is equal to BA.
BA is also not the dictionary keys
No.
of this dictionary.
No.
So it will make it true, and BA will be added.
Yes.
Is that clear?
Yes.
Next time AD will also be added, if you understand now.
Yes.
And
VA will
be
also
added.
be added.
Okay. Next time we are going to here. Now this will be the value D. It will be returned and saved into station. Is that right?
Yes.
So stations become this. Next time, second element will be 12283, correct?
Yes.
Capital X value 12283, then Z will become 12283, and for that A will become BA. Is that clear?
Yes.
My D will become this.
This will add to this. This will add to BA. That is 1 plus 1 2.
2. So BA will become 2, and AD
will also
2,
become 2.
but ND will keep 1, right?
Yes, and ND will be added.
So let's see, in this dictionary, from BA train number 1281 pass, 12283 pass. That is why BA equal to 2, right?
Hmm.
Do you understand?
Yes, I totally understand that it will return the count number of trains that passes through a particular station. That's what I was saying. But how we are mapping it to the train number, that I want to understand.
Train number.
How train
We are
number
not
will be
mapping the
returned?
train number. We are mapping.
Oh,
it
you
to
were
the-
saying
We
for
are
station
not
name.
mapping with the train number. We don't care about the train number. We are only care about the how many numbers of train are going passing.
Total number of
So
trains.
station will be mapped.
Yeah, station will
Only
be mapped to
station
number
and
of
the
trains.
number of trains passing. Which train pass doesn't matter.
We don't.
Okay.
Yeah.
Understood?
Sir,
Which train is
yes.
being passed doesn't matter.
Hmm.
So
Sir,
this is now
basically
our
the-
simple question of finding maximum from a dictionary, right?
Hmm.
Sir, we are basically just creating a new dictionary now.
Yes,
We are creating a mix of two, right? Which has a count.
Yeah, like we are just, it's not mix of two. I think it's a new dictionary with new keys, and if you see that in sense, like we are
Yes, we can
creating a
say
new
that
dictionary from an old dictionary, just like that.
Station is the new dictionary which is created in the during
Yeah,
this
station is a
pseudocode.
Yeah, it's a new
Yeah,
dictionary created
yeah.
from an old dictionary, means from the trains dictionary.
Correct.
Yes. Yes, sir, got it. I thought that it was mapping train number to that. That's why I wanted to understand. Maybe I heard something wrong.
Okay. And I hope now it is clear. And if you have any doubt in mock paper, solutions are already given to the video form. So you should be
Actually,
visiting
I
that.
tried to solve it today also, but means I got all the means after 1 hour 45 minutes I was able to solve the entire paper because of these two questions, 3, 4, and 5.
Okay, at 8 p.m. Stat session is there for revision.
Yes, sir. Stat session is there.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what do you guys want? Should
Sir,
we
I have a
close session by-
question on GA5. Can you please help me?
Yeah, I can discuss. Which question number? Tell me.
Yeah. Question number 3. I'm not able to understand the code. Can you please explain once?
Give me some seconds. Is my question visible? Question number 3? Or something else is visible? Not sure. What you can see right now?
Sir, cannot see. We can see that your PDF.
So PDF, right? This is week graded assignment week 5.
Yes, I can see.
Question number 3, right?
Yeah.
Let N be a list of first 15 teachers. Right? That is the question, correct?
Yes.
This is what you are asking, Kazari. Who was asking this question?
Sorry, sir. Me, sir. I forgot to unmute myself.
Okay, okay. So this is the question, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let N be a list of first 50 positive integers. So N is 1 to 50. Is that clear?
Yes.
Okay. Then A is some list of N. Count is defined to 0, but we are talking about here. A equal to some list of N. What some list of N is doing? X
There's a
is
process
N.
here.
Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
And this is 1 to 50.
Hmm.
Now out list and new list is X. Why this is new list is X? Okay. So new list is actually the same, right?
Same as X.
Correct?
Yes.
While length of new list is greater than 0, condition is true or false?
Consider true because it's
True.
greater than 0.
Outlist equal to outlist plus first of new list. So this is will be added and outlist will become
1. Outlist become 1. List of 1.
Then new list become rest of new list. What does it mean?
That's mean rest means 2 and rest of rest is 3.
So 3, 4, 5, 6 to 50. Is that clear?
Yes.
Okay. Next time we are still into the
Okay.
loop. So we will
I
go.
counted it from 2 onwards. That's why.
Okay. Is there anyone have issue with this question? I think your question is your doubt is clear, right?
Yes. Until I tried lots of time, but I don't know why I just always starting from 4. That's why I'm confused. Yeah,
That
now
is
I
not
get
an
it.
issue. You tried it, so that is a good thing. Okay, no issues.
Yeah,
Next
now I get
person.
it. That's my mistake. And one more doubt is graded assignment 7. Sorry, GA5, question number 7.
Okay, GA5, question number 7. Is it a mixed question? No. Oh, this is a good question. Okay.
I'm not able to get it, sir.
So, have you ever heard about sentiment?
No.
So this is a review given to a product which is bought from the
Yes, I
website
got it.
Gitark, right?
Social media sentiments. Yeah, now I get it. What you're trying to say.
Yeah, okay. So
Yeah.
what we are trying first, let's understand the variables in this question.
Hmm.
The first thing is that we have a procedure called unique. Unique of L returns the unique elements of list L. Now again, what is unique?
Unique thing is which is not repeated.
Again wrong, not
I'm
repeated is the
again
different thing.
confused between those unique and
Unique
Unique
are
means
distinct elements.
distinct. Okay.
distinct elements.
Distinct.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, we will try to make this distinct now. Unique makes more confused to you. Okay, distinct element L returns a list of distinct element of list L, right?
Hmm.
So example is also given. How can you
Yeah,
be so
example.
confused?
No, that's I understood, but I don't know how to explain that thing.
Okay, think like toppers think. So I have not taken second time thing, correct?
Yes.
Okay, so unique is understand.
Yes.
Now no, I don't know. L1, L2 returns the number of common elements in list L1 and L2. So it is also making clear that L1 and L2 are list, and then
Yes.
it returns the number of common elements, right?
Yes. Intersection L2.
No, intersection gives the list, right? We are talking about the number. It is a returning integer, not the list.
Okay.
Okay, integer, number
got
of
it.
common elements.
A number of common elements. Yeah, got it.
Okay.
An
So
integer.
yeah, this is just an assumption that we are not going to take other cases. Okay, now I have a list called positive list, which has these elements, correct?
Right.
Pos sen equal to 0, L equal to 0. While table 1 has one more rows. One means every word is a row, correct? Every word is a row. So one time one word will be taken. Is that clear?
Yes.
I read the first row X in table 1, L equal to L plus X dot word. So L will become I. I am ignoring the inverted comma, so don't take.
Yes.
If X dot word ends with a full stop, does it end with a full stop?
No.
No. We will directly skip. Try to use the scale. We will directly skip this and we'll come to move X to table 2. Then read the second element, correct?
Yes. Okay.
So it is also not having the full stop. So ordered this product from Gitark, right? Now I have full stop. Is that clear?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, I have full stop. I enter first time in this block. L equal to L of unique L. Okay, unique of L. So unique will give me the list of all elements once. Fortunately, this doesn't have any repeated elements.
Repetition, yes. Doesn't have any repetition.
So L will be same. No issue, no difference, right?
Yes.
Now we are talking about pos count, which is equal to common number of positive list and L. What is our L? This. What is
This
positive
total
list?
is-
This.
Yes.
What is the common element between this and this? Is it matching with anyone?
No, nothing.
So what will become pos count?
Then it's not greater than equal to 2.
So pos count is 0,
It's
right?
0, right?
Then
it will
if
not going to
pos
enter
count is
this
greater
thing.
or equal to 2, we are not going to enter.
Okay. Then L is equal to again empty list.
So L become empty. Nothing happens. So L is storing first the word of a sentence and then it is actually storing the unique, correct?
Sentence, huh?
So second time it will store this. I am very happy to share my review regarding this awesome product. How many repeated elements are there?
No repetition.
No repetition. Okay, so no issues. How many matching words are there?
Happy. Yes. Awesome.
So pause
two.
count is
2.
Then if pause count
Okay.
is greater or equal to 2, pause sen.
Person
So
is
positive
1.
sentiment is becoming 1, right?
Okay.
So it was in 0 and then L will become empty list, right?
Empty. Yes.
So for every sentence, what we are trying to do? We are trying to find the word and then mapping with the, matching with the positive list and finding the common element. If it is greater than 2, then we are saying that the sentence is actually a sentiment of positive. So pause sentiment is 1, incremented, right?
Yes.
Let's take the third sentence. I am not only, it is not only nice to use, but also has a very cool look. So what
That
is the
means
matching?
2. Then again person is 2.
Nice
and cool.
Cool.
The person is 2 again. Then again person will going to increase.
So this
Post
will
count
make
is
2.
2.
Okay, next. I think this is the best product which I can buy in this price range. What is the matching word? Best only. So
Yeah.
it is 1, right? Not increment.
Yes.
So percentage is
No.
2.
Yes.
What is the value of percentage here?
2. Okay.
So basically, how many sentences are actually showing the positive sentiments?
Yes. Okay.
Is that
Now
clear?
I get. Yes. Now I get it.
Sir, in this, can you please take question number 9? It's related to prime number. Sir, I wanted to ask like how the...
there is no question number 9. Why?
Sir, it is there. 1 minute.
It is there.
Graded assignment 5, right?
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, question number
I
9.
I understand why it is not there. Give me some seconds. Okay, is my
Sir.
screen visible? Question number 9.
Yeah, sir, in that I want to ask like how the X is incremented in this, like only the J is incremented and there is no value initialized to X. It's just that if X is equal to 1. So like how to do this?
So let A and B be positive integers and procedure remainder A, B returns the remainder if A is divided by B. Is that clear?
Yeah.
So this is the at least clear remainder. So what will be remainder 5,2?
1.
1.
Yeah, 1.
1.
No,
And
but I'm
what would
asking.
be the remainder of
X is the number which we
5.
have to prove that is prime or not.
2,5. What will be the remainder of 2,5?
Sir, cannot get remainder. It is not divisible.
Okay. 5 into 0 equal to 5. Sorry, 0. So 2 will be the remainder. So when we cannot divide, all will be the remainder, right?
Okay.
The whole number will be remainder. I think you have forgot something. Okay, so I hope remainder concept is clear here. Let's go to the procedure now. What it is saying, procedure do something X. I don't know what is X, but we'll understand later, okay? J equal to 2, flag true. X equal to 1. Return false. Okay, if X equal to 1, then it is returning already false, right? X is a variable. What is it?
Variable.
Variable. We can take any value of X.
Yeah.
So if X equal to 1, then it already returns the false, right?
Yeah.
While J is less than X. Suppose now you can take value X. Tell
Now
me
the
a
first,
value of...
the first value of j will be 2 in this because it is initialized to 2.
So let's say x equal to 7, okay? Because it is a variable, we can take any value. Is that clear?
Okay, like I have to assume one value.
Yeah.
So let's say 3, then 4. Yeah.
Okay, you take. Okay, you want to take multiple values.
Yeah, because j is 2.
Let x equal to 7 and x equal to 6. Okay, two values we
Yeah.
are taking.
Okay.
If x equal to 1, let's say x equal to 1, what will happen? If x equal to 1, then
it will return false.
false.
Yeah.
Right? Okay. What if x equal to 7 then? This will be initialized to flag true and it will not be.
It won't be false. It will go to the while loop then.
This will not be executed first time, right?
Yeah.
Z equal to, while z is less than x. 2 is less than x, 7.
Yeah.
Is that right or not?
Yeah, correct.
Remainder of x comma j. Remainder of x comma j means remainder of 7 comma j is 2. What will be?
1.
1 is not equal to 0, right?
Yeah.
So this will not be happening. And j equal to j plus 1. Is that clear?
So now the j will be 3.
J will be 3. Remainder of 7 comma 3.
Again, remainder 1.
Remainder?
Yeah.
1.
1.
Nothing will happen, correct?
Mhm.
Then j will become 4.
4.
Remainder?
3.
3. What
Until
will happen?
7.
Nothing. 5, 2,
Until
6,
6.
1,
Yeah.
7.
7 cannot be because it's j and x will be equal.
The
And the
7
while
can't
loop
be
said it should be less than x.
Yes.
Okay, so 7 cannot be there. So this will become, we will come outside of this while loop
Yeah.
and it is returning
False
flag.
only.
What is the flag value?
It's false.
Huh?
It's true.
So,
Flag is true.
but why
Flag
say
is-
it is it when it become true, it is always
It was
false.
true in the start.
But in the while
Flag
loop, it
never
is
changed.
false.
If remainder not
This-
equal to 0, then it will not going inside the loop. So it will flag will
Oh,
never
if
be
it is
false.
0, then it will be false. So it will be true only. Okay.
Yeah, so
Hmm.
true, right?
Yeah.
Let's take 6.
But 7 is a
6
prime
is-
number, right?
Let's take 6, okay?
Hmm.
This will not be executed, is that right?
Yeah.
Z is equal to 2, so 6 comma 2.
Remainder
0?
0. Yeah, it will go inside
will
and
be
flag will
executed.
false.
False.
Yeah.
Exit loop. We will come out the loop directly.
Yeah.
What is the value of flag?
Now it is false.
So we will return flag false. Take something which is not even and not prime. So let's take x equal to 9, right?
Okay.
So what will happen for 9?
First, it will divided by 2. It will not
9
0.
comma 2 equal to 1.
Yeah.
1.
But for
Will
3,
it
it will
be
be
9
0.
comma 3 is equal to 0. Flag will be
Yeah.
false.
0. So we are checking actually less than this number. If anything is able to divide, we'll just make the flag false and exit the loop.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
And this could have done very well. You know, there is one way of doing that. We can remove this part and we can, no. Okay. Again, we have to do one more thing. So it's a better way. Okay, leave it. So I hope this is clear.
So, like I have to assume every time x, the value of x, because I was searching like how the x is incrementing here.
So that is always done, you know, when you don't understand, don't think too much. Go to the options. What option is saying?
So
Option
it
is saying X will return true when X is a prime number. Take a prime number and check. It is true. X is even number. Take a even number, it will uncheck. This will give false. So it is incorrect. X is an odd number. Take any odd number. So you will take, if 7 you are taking, you will say that 7 is odd number, then it should be true. But 7 is also a prime number. And that was checked, right? So better version is prime, correct?
Yeah. Got it, sir.
And then X is more than 1. So this is not the even option.
Okay.
Is that clear?
Yeah. Thank you, sir.
Yes,
Oh,
sir.
week
One more
5 is done.
question. One more question of graded assignment 6.
6, okay. And no one is going for stats?
Sir, I'm leaving for the stat session. I'm sorry.
Okay, so
and thank
whoever
you for
wants
the
to go
class.
can leave.
Yeah,
Thank you everyone and best of luck for your quiz.
Thank you, sir.
It's a question. So the number of questions will be similar to that in quiz 1.
Somewhat will be the similar to the quiz 2, mock 2, right? Quiz 1 has only syllabus of week 1 to 4.
Yeah, so but the number of questions like 16, 18.
Around 13 to 14 is always there.
Okay.
You have to, I mean, if questions are easy, then it will become 16 or otherwise it will be 13 to 14.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay, so whoever wants to,
Sir.
please can leave and
One more doubt. In the mock quiz 2 solution, question number 12 to 14 doesn't have a video explanation, sir. The video explanation.
It has.
No. Yeah, it has, but the link again takes us to the video link for question number 9 to 11 only.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Okay, don't worry, I will update. Okay. So
Okay.
you can watch it.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Sir, sorry, I joined late, sir. I joined just now. I just have one question, sir. I was just going through the assignments for week 7. I couldn't understand the difference between a dictionary and a list. If you can just explain that one thing, that would help.
Difference between list and dictionary.
Yes.
Now, I mean, the whole course is depend on that. How will you then cover up? I really don't think this is a right topic to discuss now. But I will try. Let's see, what can I do? Okay, so list is the take L equal to 1, 2, 3, 9, 8 or common thinking Perl. Okay, so or you can take variables A, B, C, D. Okay, so list is the collection of elements. That's all. Okay, list is the collection of element. In this collection, how do we store that? This is like container. You store liquid into a bucket, right? Is that clear?
Yeah.
So this is just the container. You store the list into a square bracket, and every element is separated by comma. And the most important, very important concept in list is that order matters. What matters?
Order matters.
Order matters. Order of the element matters. 1 is before 2, 2 is before 3. So this is the first element, second element, third element. If I just change the place 3, 2, 1, 9, 8 elements are same, but this list is not equal to the L1. Okay. If I say this is L1, then L1 is not equal to L. That is what order matters mean. Okay. In the list, we store elements separated by comma, and order is very important part of the list. Now in dictionary, we do not store the element only. We store the pairs, which is called the key value pair. Key value pair. For example, if I take the student data sets, so then D will be takes the student's name like Rahul has scored the 250 marks as total. Reena scored 290 marks, something like that, okay? And it is stored into two braces. So container is two braces, okay? And it always has the pair. Pair means every pair will be a key and value. This is called key and this is called value. And they are mapped with a colon. So this is the structure of dictionary. You cannot directly find anything from list. If you want to find that is 9 there into the list, then you need to check every element and see if 9 is present or not, okay?
Okay,
so
sir.
you need to iterate through from start and go if 9 is already there or not. But into dictionary, you can directly say if 9 is the key of D or not. If 9 is key of D or not. And if you can directly access the value of the key. If you say D of Rahul, then it will give 250. So the accessibility of dictionary is very easy, very feasible. You can access it directly. Whatever you want, it is like our word dictionary. When we say what does mean by bat, then if you know Hindi, then it will become balla, right? Or something like that. So it's like totally dictionary concept. Every word is mapped to its meaning, correct? So meaning is a value and word is a key here.
Okay,
so this
sir.
is the
Understood.
basic difference between list
Yeah.
and dictionary.
Yeah, I understood,
Okay.
sir. Thank you.
Thank you. And
Sir, one
Sir,
question.
graded assignment 6.
graded assignment
6.
6.
Question
where
number 4.
Okay, give me some seconds.
Sir, is session done?
Session is going on. It will be soon over. If you want to join stats, you can go, or you can be in city. Question number 6. Which one? Which question?
Question number 4.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So what is the issue here? Because solution looks too long.
Solution is yeah, but I'm not able to get the code. I added the solution, but I'm not able to get it properly. That's why.
Okay. The procedure visited shop returns the list of names of people who have visited a particular shop in the shopping bill data set. Okay. So if I say visited shop, name of people. Okay, visited shop Big Bazaar. Then it will return the list of customers who have visited the Big Bazaar, right?
Yes.
Okay, this is what it means. Then it accepts the shop's name as parameter. Okay. Additionally, each customer must be represented exactly once in the return list. Okay. So if a customer visited more than one, then it should also come one time only. Right?
Additionally, each customer must be represented exactly once in the return list. I'm not able to get that thing.
Okay. So suppose there is a card. Okay. Okay, is my card visible?
Yes, sir.
We are trying to store the find the customers who have visited store SV store. Okay.
Yes.
So Srivatsan 1. Keep adding this into the list. Okay, if you have pen and paper.
Yes.
Then so this card will not be selected. Akshaya.
Okay.
Advait. Akhil. Abhinav. George. Ahmad. Nirja. Ahmad. Do you remember we got Ahmad 2 times?
Yes.
But it will, the list which we are going to return by this procedure should have only 1 time Ahmad. That is what it
SV
means.
stores once.
Yeah. So SV store Ahmad has visited SV store 2 times, right?
Oh, okay, 2 times. Yeah. Twice.
Then it should return only 1 time, not 2 times into the list. That is what that sentence means. Okay.
Okay.
Got it?
Yes.
Okay. Now, additionally, it's okay. And then the following pseudocode may have mistakes also. Oh my God. Okay, let's find the mistake then. Is it clear now? The question
Yes, it is
clear.
clear.
Okay?
Yeah. I didn't
Okay,
get
let's
it
go.
why line 7 is mistake. Why line 7 is wrong.
Ah man, how line 7 should be wrong already? I don't know if the S is done. Line 7 is wrong.
Yes, in answer it's showing that line 7 is wrong. Okay, let me open it once.
Line 7 is wrong because they're supposed to append the X dot customer name to the list S, not shop name.
Okay.
You are storing the customers, right?
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, X dot customer should be there.
Yeah. So in
And
syntax,
line
I'm not
2 you
able to
must have-
find any mistake. Yes, line 2, I did that. This slide I did mistake. But okay, I missed that part. I'm not able to understand why 7 is wrong.
Okay.
Yes, now I get it. Now I get it, sir. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Welcome. Okay. Next question.
Sir, one
No,
question
nothing.
was there. Sir, in the initialization part in any pseudocode, can it be called iteration?
Initialization is iteration. Why did not understand?
Sir, suppose we are creating a dictionary, empty dictionary, D is equal to an empty dictionary. So is this we can call a iteration?
Why it is iteration? It is dictionary now. Iteration
Okay,
is not a variable.
Yeah. Okay,
Iteration
sir.
is a procedure.
Yeah,
I mean a process.
Sir, can you go to activity 8.2 question 4?
How many iterations are required to create a dictionary with keys, adjective, pronoun, and noun from the paragraph dataset? Okay, how many iterations are required to create a dictionary with keys, adjective, pronoun, and noun from the, which is related to something?
No, sir.
How many iterations are required to create dictionary with keys? How many keys are there?
4, sir.
Cookies, the adjective for noun and noun. 3, na?
3 cookies, sir. Actually,
Okay.
sir, what you told, that was my concept. But in one of the doubt clearing session, it was told that anything is iteration. If we are creating a dictionary, that is also iteration.
Creating you
Means
making
initialization part.
You are making things confused. Okay. Initialization is just the one value assigning to a variable. Iteration is that you are adding something. Iteration can be defined of the repeating procedure, right? We are repeating same thing again and again, then this is iteration.
So, sir, can you make it clear this question and how it will be solved?
Okay, so it is related to the lecture actually. We will have to see the lecture first. What is the
Sir,
lecture?
that is the same paragraph dataset, sir. That is the same paragraph dataset. Nothing special is in that lecture.
How many iterations are required to create? But it is how we are creating the dictionary keys. What is the map to this value? What is the mapping value?
So that is not clear in the lecture, sir.
Okay, let me see then. Okay, it is saying how many. I understand what is it. This will be how many iterations means 30 iterations, number of cards.
Only one time, and whenever got new parts of speech, it will added as an index. It as a key. So this can be done with only single
What is the answer?
iteration.
It is 30 or something?
One iteration.
Answer is 1, sir. Actually, I thought
First,
also
we have
30.
take the full branch of the paragraph. Then we take one by one. Suppose it is a Monday morning, so it is an article. Then we put the article as a parts of speech, just like this.
I understand that part. Answer is 1 or 30.
One,
sir.
One iteration
One.
only. With a single
Okay, it's,
iteration, we
not-
can find all the parts of speeches.
No. I also have confusion with this question. Maybe I have not seen the whole lecture, but what does iteration means here? Loops are the number of iterations. It will have one loop only. Loop will be 1. So is there anything?
Well, table 1 has more rows. That means this is only one time iteration is going on.
I understand your part. It is
Okay.
directly related to the lecture actually. So
Yes.
we will have to be clear. Okay, that question is not clear to me. It might be if it is 1, then this means iteration loop, 1 iteration loop. Okay, number of iterations will be the number of cards.
Yeah, sir. That is my concept also, sir. But
I think
this question is
if I see the whole video properly, then I can find. But understand iterations, if we are talking about how many times the iteration should go, it will go
60
the
times.
number of
30
cards.
30 times.
If we are talking one loop, then in one loop, one iteration, it will work. Okay. So I'll make this question clear more. Okay. Anything else?
No, nothing, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, everyone. I hope it is clear, and
Yes.
all the best for your exams.
Thank you, sir.
So I actually have one question from the exam point of view.
Yes, tell me.
If we study the graded assignment, the practice assignments, and just kind of know all the concepts clearly, would that be enough, or do we have to refer some other textbooks?
If you solve the mock paper even properly, if you are able to solve, if you are able to solve mock paper only, then also it is sufficient actually.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, but you should be very honest with your solving mock paper.
Mm-hmm.
You should be very honest while solving your mock paper. Don't see the answer first. Try to understand every concept. You will be able to understand, you will be able to pass the quiz.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you. Should we close the session?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Bye, guys. Thank you. All the best.
Good night, sir.
Right.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, sir.